Hi, this is DJ Dimaliuat, and in this video, I will share with you how to earn your first million and at least 1 million every year in real estate. Paano nga ba? I'll be sharing you step by step, and if you follow this, I guarantee you will earn your 1 million or your first million and 1 million at least every single year in property, just like in every other successful business people here in real estate. So the first step is, you got to have that business. So meaning, there's a lot of ways really to start a real estate business. You can buy your own property and then rent it out, or probably bumili ka din and then you do buy and sell, refurbish and then sell. Pwedeng ganon. But if you don't have that big capital, the fastest way is to really be accredited with a brokerage company and be a salesperson, be a real estate marketer. So be in sales, right? Because sales always solves the problems of any businesses. Every business needs sales. These developers, yung mga nag-develop ng mga properties, mga condos and house and lots, they need you to sell their properties. That's why you will get paid. Diba? So for you to be legit, you got to find a broker, preferably a brokerage company. There's a lot of different big companies out there who are really legit, may office sila, and then you can be accredited and be a real estate salesperson under them. So you will be using their license, and then you will be accredited in PRC, and then you'll be able to sell. So there's a numerous partners there that you can go. In our company, you can apply as well. In Driven Marketing Group, you can be part of our sales force and undergo training, and then probably be registered in PRC, and then you'll be able to sell. Right, so that's the first step. Be accredited with the brokerage company. No, dapat talaga may affiliation, no, para talagang legit business siya. The second step is by having a clear target. So dapat klaro sa isip mo 1 million. Kung yun yung minimum, no? Kung gusto mong bigger, better. No? But let's talk about 1 million. And then how fast? Right? When I was starting, I really want to earn 1 million pesos at least. No, I was 21 years old when I started in this business before ako gumraduate ng college. And I really want to be a millionaire. So if you can relate, you can maybe comment down in the comment section if you can really relate and you also want to be a millionaire as well. Diba? So that's what I wanted. And I saw that in real estate, I can do that. No, I can, it's easier to achieve because mas konting bagay lang, mas konting effort, mas konting properties na yung kailangan kong ibenta para ma-achieve yung 1 million ko. So have that clear target and then have that time frame. For example, if you want to do it in 1 year, then tsaka tayo kikilos. Mauuna talaga dapat yung clear target. Third is you got to decide on a favorite project. Right? Unless you're an in-house agent, you're a developer, syempre wala kang choice because a project will be assigned to you. But if you will be under a real estate broker, they have numerous projects, and don't fall into a trap wherein you're selling everything. Mas maganda if you decide na meron ka pipiliin na project and then kabisaduhin mo yon, and your goal should be the top. You will be the top or one of the top in that project. One of the top sellers. Makikilala ka talaga ng developer, ng coordinators. So, kailangan kabisaduhin mo siya. Ins and outs. No? Yun yung labanan. Mas maganda yon, mas madali yon. You will enjoy more if mas konti yung hawak mo pero may favorite ka. There will be your focus. There will be your focus. And then, next is, you got to know your number. No? Dapat alam mo, okay, sige, ano ba yung average price nitong binibenta kong property? This is 1 million per property, 2 million, 5 million, 10 million, di ba? Dapat klaro ka. So, if you focus and favorite mo yung project na yan, kabisado mo siya, you will get an average price. So, pag nakuha mo ng average price, magkakaroon ka na ng idea magkano yung kikitain mo dito. Diba? So, with that, when it comes to number 5, you should have a workable target. You should have a workable target. And I will show you how to really compute and to have that clear target in mind. So, let me show you that. If your goal is 1 million pesos, syempre ito yung minimum na pinag-uusapan natin, you want to earn at least 1 million a year, or your 1 million, or first million in this business, in real estate, you got to have the workable target. And what's the workable target? First step, you got to know the average price. So for this example, sabihin na lang natin, ang average price ng tututukan mong project is 4 million pesos. So meaning merong 2 million, merong 8 million, may 5 million dun sa property na yan. Probably this is a condominium in Metro Manila or a single detached house outside Metro Manila. Ganyan. So let's say, so from the price, you will multiply your commission rate. So average commission rates, naglalaro, sabihin na natin ang average is 2 to 3% no, ng agent. So sabihin natin, for this example, to use an average, 2.5%. Diba? So 4 million, you multiply to 2.5%, you will get 100,000 pesos commission in just one sale. So isang benta may 100,000 ka. Of course, there are a lot of taxes that will be deducted here. For the purpose of this example, hindi muna natin siya i-compute. No? But there are withholding taxes and VAT. No? Because vatable yung commission natin, so you gotta deduct the VAT. And then from the property price, may mga taxes din na dinideduct, yung mga discounts, also VAT if the unit is vatable. So wag muna natin pag-usapan yun para lang mabilis, no? Just for illustration purposes. So 4 million times 2.5%, that's 100,000. No? So 100,000, kung 100,000 pala ka per commission, so kitang-kita mo na, you just need to sell 10 properties in a year. Diba? 10 lang yung properties mo, you will already get your 1 million income. Isn't it exciting? No, pag nagkaroon ka kasi ng clear number, na-compute mo siya, now you would know, yun lang pala yung kailangan. Diba? So when I started, I saw that. No, ang commission pa namin noon, nag-start hanggang mula 2%. Diba? So I computed it at 2%. When I was new, I was 21 years old, sabi ko, dapat makabenta ako ng 50 million worth of properties kasi 2% noon, 1 million, di ba? Kung mas malaki ng konting commission, like 2.5, mas maganda, nasa-solve ko yung taxes. So I had that clear goal in mind. Di ba? So sa'yo, you just need to sell 10 properties of 4 million pesos. 4 million times 10, that's about 40 million. So, kailangan mo lang makabenta ng 40 million. Be it one property na 40 million yung amount niya or 40 properties na tigwa 1 million siya, di ba? At least you now have a formula. Because when you have a formula, it just becomes numbers. Right? Ibig sabihin, kaya talaga siya makukuha mo siya. The only question is, how fast can you get it? Di ba? How fast, kaya mo ba siya ng 6 months, ng 1 year, or it may take you 2 years, medyo slow ng konti, okay lang. But ibig sabihin, kaya talaga siyang kitain dito. So now I want to clarify that again, yung commission sa real estate, hindi yung pagkabenta mo, makukuha mo kagad. Di ba? Hindi yung pagka-reserve, yun na kagad. We give service, di ba? We help our clients hanggang makalipat, ma-approve yung loan. So it may take 2-3 years pag nagbayad pa ng down payment plus the loan approval, but it's okay. Imagine if you're earning 1 million every single year by just helping 10-20 people. It's still easier than, logging in 8 hours a day, 10 hours a day at work every single day. Diba? So, ganun kaganda tong negosyo na. Okay, so last but not the least, what you need to do and to have is daily prospecting. Because now, alam mo na kailangan mo ng 10 sales or ng 20 sales. So, in order for you to get one sale, for example, kailangan mo ng 5 tripping. So, if 1:5 yan, for you to get 10 sales, you just need 10 times 5, 50 na tripping. Diba? So, kailangan mo lang mag-activity, do online ads, do prospecting every single day. The keyword is daily. Diba? For you to get 50 trippings. So, ilang kailangan mong effort? No? Kailangan mo continuously mag-effort ka in 2 ways, 2 types of prospecting that you need to do. One is active prospecting. Ikaw yung lalapit. Meaning, mag-o-offer ka sa mga kaibigan mo, mag-PPM ka, mag-flyer ka sa mall or sa labas. Ganun kasama yon, di ba? Active. And then passive prospecting, you are waiting for people to inquire. How do you do that? You do online advertisements, right? Facebook, One Property, YouTube, all the other property portals, your websites, you can do that. Maraming style, di ba? So that's what you need to do. You gotta do both. And you gotta understand that our main job here for you to make your millions is leads generation. Diba, maghanap ng prospects because may taong bibili. Ang kailangan lang, ikaw yung makausap nila, hindi yung iba. Diba? So that's the key, daily prospecting. Now you have the numbers, you know you need 10, times 5 mo, kung 5:1 yung tripping ratio mo, meaning kada 5 mong tripping, may isa ka nabibenta, edi times 5 mo lang yon. You just need 50 clients. Kung 1:10 ka, sobrang mababa ng batting average mo, times 10 mo yung 10 sales, you just need 100 clients. Saan mo kukunin yun? You just need to do prospecting. So those are My advice to you, if you want to earn your first million in real estate, if you haven't done so, or if you want to continuously earn millions in this industry, you just need to follow these few steps that I shared with you. So again, this is DJ Dimaliuat. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel and turn on that notification bell so that you will be notified with whatever video that I come up in the future. And also share this video with your friends. And of course, thank you very much for watching. Until next time, see you again soon.